Hello, everyone. This is Jeffrey T. Fertiller back with another service management leadership video. We thank you for watching and all the feedback we've received. Please like and share the video, subscribe to our channel, check out our podcast, and follow us on LinkedIn. All right, let's dive into the last of the metrics, ITSM metrics that we found on the Flexera white paper. Just to be clear, IT asset management and IT service management. Where they converge is CMDB and asset, right? Same discovery tool in some places. If you're using your IT service management tool for asset management, the same discovery finds both. Here's a good one. And this gets your security and risk people all fired up, is when you find an installation of a software you haven't bought. Means somebody's downloaded something that you do not have the rights to use, and you don't know what are the terms of that usage. Could they be taking your data? Think of the TikTok example. Think of many others. I don't really want to get into them and throw stones at people. But if you, through your discovery, through the ITSM tool or IT asset management tool, find unauthorized downloads, you have a problem and need to address it. Maybe you need to blacklist or whitelist software. Maybe you need to do something to call out to those people, hey, we don't do that here, because there's an education process that needs to occur, don't you think? And so when you think of IT asset management metrics, think out of the box. Think, what problem are we trying to solve and how do we measure it? And this is a perfect example. Thank you for watching this video. If there's something that service management leadership can do for you or your organization, if we can be of help in any way, please reach out to me. I'd love to understand the obstacles and challenges you have, just to be able to solve them together. Hope you have a great day. Bye.